your girl Latasha Valentine. I have not picked up the camera in such a long time, and yes guys, I am here with my best friend Sungi Maruta and our sister in the background there. So Shamian, big up yourself. Girls, listen guys, yeah. Oh my gosh, I am literally in a passenger seat right now. Like, I am in the passenger seat. Your girl ain't driving today. Your girl is not driving today because my best friend over here, she's driving. She's driving, guys. And don't get it twisted, she's been driving a long time. It's just that we don't talk our business like that. But yeah, check out my girl. How you do? Yeah. Listen, this is a last minute thing. We're going out, we're gonna eat something, you know, just a nice little evening and stuff like that. You know, we all been working hard, so we need to, you know, play hard too. So we're gonna have some nice food. Look at the driver. Yeah, shout out to the driver. Where's Shami? Yeah. Oh my god, we're gonna have a good time, guys.
You're so bad to the bone. Can't leave you alone. It's like you're inside. Whatever you want, boy, you know what I got. I'm giving you all of me.
Right away.
Don't be afraid, boy. Take me away. I'll give it.
Okay, good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. So I came from work this morning and I was feeling to have some plantain porridge. So yes, so these are everything that I'm showing you that I'm going to put in there. So I've got my 2 large plantain, I've got my nutmeg right there along with my cinnamon, my condensed milk, my coconut milk, some flour there. I don't think I need any more than those 2, but if I do, I'll just add that a bit later. I've also got my vanilla around there that I'm gonna add as well, and of course my trusted blender. As you can see, it's well used. So I'm just gonna blend everything up. I've got my nice pot over there. So yeah, see there, nice pot waiting. So I just feel for a little something. Obviously, guys, I would have also put in double cream. Yeah guys, so I would have also put in double cream as well. Usually when I'm sweetening is when I finish, just to make it a bit more creamy. I'm also going to add some jug milk to it as well because I like everything to be nice and creamy. So I'm going to add that. The only thing I don't have is the double cream that I would have put in just to make it more creamy, as I said, but I don't have that. And I actually went to the supermarket yesterday and I completely forgot to pick it up, but nevertheless it's still going to work anyway. So guys, yeah, that I'm going to do today. I'm going to show you I don't know if I'm going to be able to take you through the process because I don't have a tripod to hold the phone up. I'm just holding the phone with my hand. So I'll try to show you little clips, I guess, if I can. If not, then unfortunately it's going to be until the end. Yeah guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please, you know, click the subscribe button. Don't forget to also click the notification bell, so obviously that's an indication of you know, you're notified when I post a video. You'll get it first. You get that, yeah, you know, you get it. So guys, that's what I'm gonna be doing. Yeah, so stay tuned for the finished product. Okay guys, so in this blender I've put 1 plantain so far, also with 1 scoop of the flour. and just a little bit of water just to get it going. Guys, I accidentally pressed it without putting the lid on. How silly was I? And nearly get it literally all over. But that's what I've done so far. I'm just gonna blend it and everything. I'm gonna do that for the second plantain as well, but I'm also gonna add some cinnamon and mint to that as well, just so I can give it a flavor before I start cooking. And yeah, guys, I'm looking forward to this. Okay guys, so I've just finished my plantain porridge. Guys, right about now I think it look good enough, and I've got some bread on the side there to go with it. Like, I literally think it looks good. Like, you did not see what was going on. Actually, you don't even want to see. You didn't even want to see what was going on in this kitchen right now. At one point I thought this was turning into dumpling. Like, what? Like what? I could not show that. I couldn't show that. Like, I'm making porridge but it looks like dumpling, and then I have to salvage it for it to look like porridge again. Oh my god, I could not show that, because yeah, the Jamaican community would literally just disown me. Full stop. There's no way. You Jamaican? You? Are you sure? No. But guys, look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. It came through. You know, I'm gonna try it again. Cause the first time I tried it, it came out so nice. Yeah, but yeah, guys, you saw those plantain at the beginning. I was not about to let those go to waste, because them nice cedar plantain there, very expensive. They're very nice and big and pretty. You see them, they look nice. I couldn't throw it in the bin, no way. So I salvage it, and yeah, that's my plantain porridge, guys. Oh my gosh, guys, please like, share and subscribe, and I'll definitely see you. Just hold on, man, just wait on the next clip. We're gonna jump to the next one in just a bit. Yeah.